Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. We are on day 3 of my Christmas series. I'm going to do a new Christmas video every day in November. Today I'm going to be sharing how I did this Christmas tree collar, and guess what? It was only $3. I was so excited to have found this that I bought it today, recorded today, edited today, everything. I was just so excited to bring this to you. As always, I'm going to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Like, comment, and share, and let's just get on to this exciting DIY. For supplies, you are going to be needing a bushel basket. Mine is on clearance for $3 from Hobby Lobby, and then you are going to need a hole saw bit and a drill. You can most definitely use your basket just like this and put your tree inside of it, but I want it the other way so that it looks more like a tree collar. So decide where your center is, and then you're going to take your drill and drill a hole through it. That's pretty much all of the instructions. Just keep in mind a couple of things. This is a bushel basket. It's made out of balsa wood, I believe, but it's a lot of layers. They are thin, but it's still a lot of layers to go through. I started with my home drill and I had to switch over to my husband's, which is stronger. Mine was going too slow, and again, it's a lot of layers that you're having to go through. Be very careful doing this because you don't want to break your basket as you're doing it. I turned it around to check where I was going to see if it had already made it all the way through, and the drill portion of this bit had, and I recommend going from the inside out once that happens so that you don't have as much split wood as I did. And then that's basically it. As you can see, there are a lot of layers that you have to go through. Now here it is turned over where I'm going to be using it. The hole isn't exactly centered, but that's perfectly fine by me. I don't like to measure. Now the handles, I did have to kind of bend the wire a little so that it would sit flush. This is the tree that I'm going to use inside of it. This portion of it is too wide. It won't go through the hole that I did. I use a 2 1/4 inch hole saw bit. So I'm just going to take this off and put the tree in, and then I'm going to put this base in, and that's where the tree like little foots go. Go ahead and not foots, feet, I'm sorry about that, but just go ahead and put them in. When I turned it around, I realized that it was too small for them. You can go ahead and leave it as is, or you can take off the legs and then just use something in the bottom to center it. I didn't even have to do anything. This is what it looks like without the feet. And I didn't have to do anything to keep it straight. It stayed pretty straight on its own. But that's it for this DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. This is a very cheap DIY to recreate. I hope that you can find these clearance baskets, but you can use any basket that you find in the thrift store or at a store that you like, because tree colors are not only hard to find right now, but they are also very expensive. I want to remind you once again to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified of all of my upcoming videos. Again, I'm doing 30 Christmas videos in the month of November. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.